Every wish you had a simple way to stay organized. Smartsheet.com helps you track projects, manage tasks, and work together with your team, all in one place. It's like a superpower for your to-do lists. Give it a try and see how easy it is to stay on top of everything. So hello guys and welcome back in another video. I hope everything is doing well firstly, and in today's video I will show you step by step how to use Smartsheet.com. So let's get it started right now. All I have to do right now is just open your browser and dive into smartsheet.com. This is the homepage as you can see. First, let's know what is Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a super handy online tool that help you organize and manage tasks, projects, and teams. It's like a smart spreadsheet that lets you track everything from to-do lists to big projects, share updates with others, and stay on top of deadlines, all in one place. Perfect for getting things done and working together smoothly. So this is what is smartsheet.com. You can just get started. It's easy, and this is how you can use smartsheet.com. So firstly, all I have to do is just click over this button green, and then you will find a page which is this one. You have just to enter your work email address and you click over continue. Then you have to add your name and your last name, and also you have to add your phone number. So once you click over continue, here there is one page or one schedule that appear here. Then you have to add those information. So then once you click over continue, you'll find a page which is this one. So here we have please check your inbox. To activate your account, confirm your email address by clicking the link in the email we sent to you. So we have just to go to your Gmail, and then you have to click over confirm email, and then you'll find a page which is this one as you can see. So we have let's keep your account secure. You have to add your password and retype it again. Then you click over here if you are agreed to the Smartsheet user agreement. Here we have it, and we have also here privacy policy, and then you'll find a page which is this one as you can see, and this is the home page. As you can see, we have home. And to use Smartsheet, you have just start by creating a sheet to organize your tasks or projects. You can add tasks, assign them to team members, and set due dates. Use features like checkboxes, status updates, and timelines to track progress. So you can easily collaborate by sharing your sheet, adding comments, and getting real-time updates. Plus, Smartsheet lets you automate reminders and workflows to keep everything running smoothly. It's a simple way to stay organized and work together efficiently. So let's get it started right now. Here we have various options that could help you to get started with Smartsheet and how you can use Smartsheet. So we have here home, we have also notification, search, you have browse, you have presence, favorites, resource management, work application. Then we have start a new project. Then we have here launcher, help, and also account. So I will just right now discovering the first one, which is the browse, and let's discovering also resource management. And here we have also start a new project, and that's it. So let's just discovering those three options that I already mentioned. So let's just go into the first one, which is browse. About this one, you'll find here this page. As you can see, we have browse and we have here work application, and it's not important about this one. You'll find it just here. If you already have in a folder, that's what it will be appear in the work application. Then we have here sheets. About this one, you'll find here in the top right the button of create if you want to create sheets, as you can see, and then you have to select if you want to create task list, projects, cards, browse templates, import Microsoft Excel, import Microsoft projects, import from Google, and you have also your report, dashboard, and portal, folder, and workspace. Then we have here workspaces. As you can see, you have just to click over here in the top right the button of create, and you have here create tasks list, projects, cards, browse templates, and import Microsoft Excel and other things. All right, also we have here your workspace. About this one, you'll find here the button of share. You want to copy the link, and if you want to create, you start creating new workspace, as you can see. All right, so that's it for the browse. Right now let's just click in over the resource management. You find here other page that could help you, and it's important. So we just right now discovering the important options, which is browse, and we have here resource management, and if you want to create start a new project program, and also we have here. So that's it for those. So other options, it's just for your profile and if you want to help, and also we have a launcher, and also we have here if one of favorites, if one of here is sends message, so it's not important. So about this one, we have here resource management, yes, and you find this page. We have here resource planning for every level of your organization. Here we have assigned the right people to the right work at the right time, balance workloads. Ensure work is evenly distributed across your teams to avoid burnout. Then we have track time with ease, forecast with confidence. You have just to click over request for trial, find a page, and you have to link your information such as your first name, last name, your email address, your phone, and you have to select here the period if it's 1 month, which is immediately, short term, medium term, long term, not sure, and we have no current plans as well. Then we have what's your biggest challenge with managing resources, as you can see. Then you click over submit, and then you have we'll find here this page. We have it behind here. So we have here my work, people, schedule, projects, reports as well. Then if we just here go to work application, you'll find this page, as you can see, work application. And then we have also here the button of if you want to create or get started a new project, program, or process. About new here about the work application, find here the application that already created. Then we have here this one, which is create a workspace. So here we have start with a popular template. If you want to just start with a template that already is popular, such as project requests management, business budget management, or if you want to start from scratch. Let's just discover in the first one, and then you click over create from template, or you can copy the link and you get started. But now I will just discover start from scratch. Once you click over here, you will find a page, which is this one. You have to add here your project name and just select here the view that you want. If you want the board, and we have here grid. So I will select, for example, the second one, and then I will click over next build. And if you want to here skip all the steps, you click over here and you skip the steps. And then we have next add a dashboard and build a project like that. So we have building a product is successfully, sorry, building project it successfully. And here we have the dashboard, how it looks. So right now if we want to add here the tasks, the subtasks, and other things, also we have a task sheet, task summary, overview, tasks, project dashboard, and you have just want to done a click over share in the top right. And also we have here other options that could help you to modify all these things and add whatever you want in this dashboard. Also, if you want to add here, you click over here and you add sheet if you want, such as a grid board. If you want a whole report, dashboard, folder, import as well. So that's it for this one. And here we have it, how you can get started with this one. All right. I will just come back right now to the home page, and I will just click over down save, and there we have it. You find our project. We already start with a project portfolio, and we have here this shop, as you can see. So Smartsheet is a powerful yet user-friendly tool that helps you stay organized, manage projects, and collaborate with ease. Whether you are tracking tasks, setting deadlines, or automating workflows, it keeps everything in one place, making teamwork more efficient and less stressful. It's a smart way to get things done and keep your project on track. So this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.